If your shower glass looks like it's been frosted by a ghost with commitment issues, this video is for you. Those are not water spots, that is hard water, and it has chosen violence. Today, we're breaking down what actually works on hard water stains and what is a complete emotional scam. First, let's clear up what hard water stains actually are. Hard water stains are not dirt, they are minerals with confidence. Calcium and magnesium get left behind when water dries, and over time they build layers. Not a mess, a mineral fortress. That's why wiping harder doesn't work. You cannot intimidate minerals. So let's talk about the biggest mistake people make. They use soap based cleaners. Soap plus minerals equals science betrayal. Soap reacts with hard water and leaves more residue, which makes the stains look worse while whispering, "You did this." If the cleaner foams like a bubble bath, it is not your hero today. What actually works on hard water stains? Acid. Not dramatic acid, polite household acid. Minerals dissolve when they meet something acidic. That's the entire secret. If your cleaner doesn't say it removes mineral buildup or lime scale, it's just cheering from the sidelines. Let's get specific. What works? Cleaners designed for lime scale, vinegar based solutions, citric acid cleaners. These break the bond between the minerals and the surface. They don't scrub harder, they work smarter. Apply, let it sit, and walk away like a professional. Hard water stains fear patience more than elbow grease. Now let's talk about what doesn't work, no matter how convincing the internet is. Dry wiping, wet wiping, aggressive wiping. If minerals could feel emotions, they'd be laughing. Also ineffective, dish soap, all purpose cleaners, shine enhancing sprays, positive thinking. None of these dissolve minerals, they just make you tired. Another myth, hot water will help. Hot water created the problem. Adding more is like trying to fix a fire with confidence. Let's talk surfaces because this matters. Glass, tile, fixtures, all different personalities. On glass, mineral deposits are visible because glass is honest. On tile, they hide and grout like cowards. On fixtures, they bond emotionally. The key is matching the solution to the surface and giving it time to work. If you spray and immediately scrub, you're interrupting chemistry. Let the cleaner do its job. You're not in a race. The stains aren't going anywhere. They've been there since 2014. Now for the sneakiest issue, hard water stains that keep coming back. That's not because you cleaned wrong, that's because hard water is consistent. If water dries on a surface, minerals stay behind every single time. Prevention is boring but powerful. Dry surfaces after use, reduce standing water, interrupt the cycle. Think of it as breaking up with the stains before they move back in. What about abrasive tools? Sometimes they help, sometimes they permanently ruin your surface and your mood. Abrasives remove stains by removing surface. That's not cleaning, that's erosion. Use them only when appropriate and gently, because once you scratch something, hard water stains move in even faster. Scratches are like luxury condos for minerals. The truth about hard water stains is simple. They are a chemistry problem, not a motivation problem. You don't need to try harder. You need the right type of cleaner and enough time. Once you stop fighting minerals like they're dirt, everything gets easier. If this video saved you from scrubbing in rage or buying another useless cleaner, hit subscribe. We explain cleaning without judgment, without nonsense, and without pretending minerals care about your feelings. Subscribe for more cleaning truth and fewer haunted shower doors.